Hello and welcome to another video on my Battle Games in Middle-earth YouTube channel. Up until now I've only ever done painting tutorials, and I thought, well, let's try and do something a little bit different for this video because it's been a special weekend for hundreds of hobbyists from across the world, all coming to Ardacon in the UK, in Manchester, one of the biggest, I think probably the biggest Hobbit strategy battle game, Lord of the Rings strategy battle game, and now Middle-earth strategy battle game tournament. I think it was a total of 200 and something people who were there, and as well as there being some amazing games, which I only managed to win 2 of, and of course the victor being crowned in J. Clare, who wrote the rules, as the victor, the singles champion. Also, some brand new toy soldiers were released and some rules were teased, which was very exciting stuff. And I thought, to show people who haven't had a chance to pick up the new models, I bought one of the boxes, and I thought I'd give you a quick look inside the box and see what you get. So, as you can see, it's a sort of normal size box, little one, and nothing exciting on the outside, so except this. There are also the blister pack for the Orc Commander Guritz, the one with the skull on his head, and Gothmog's Enforcer, the guy that hangs around and is seen almost everywhere in the battlefield in the Return of the King. But I thought the most interesting one is this one, because there are different parts. So I'll open it, and it's the first time I've opened it, so it's just like that. And as you can see, we've got some very, very nice resin models in here, which are the Knights of DOL AMROTH. So let's tuck in, have a see what's going on here. It's a bit of a struggle to open it. Let's see. So let's put that on there. No, I can't do that. That's gone. It's already going wrong. So first thing, let's look at this. This is a banner. Some incredible detail in these things. I don't know whether you can quite make that out in here, but it's just absolutely outstanding, the sculpts that you've got here, obviously on in full resin, so it doesn't look too bent actually. It looks like it'll be relatively straight. Maybe it need a bit of warming up, but the detail on that, I'll just try and get it close, but look at that. That is absolutely lovely. Lovely banner. Lovely banner there. So that's one of the things included, a bit of foam. What else we got? We've got some heads here. And let's see, who's that? Who's that? So they look like all heads. I'm not quite sure what parts those are actually. There's 2 heads, and I guess they're arms. Are they arms or shoulder pads or something like that? Anyway, there you go. That's also included. I've got the instruction. The instructions have fallen out on the floor. I'll grab them in a second. We've also got the more heads. Let's just see how close we can get here, because they are absolutely lovely actually. The detail on this is pretty crisp. So yeah, they're looking really nice. Very nice. I'm guessing these bits here are meant to clip off, so I'll do that when I build them later. And the actual models themselves, the detail on the that's pretty cool. The chainmail there is looking really, really nice. Really nice indeed. And actually, as mould lines, there's not a great deal of, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, they look really, really nice. So they're the two of the bodies. We've got, how many we got in here? I think we've got 6. I don't know whether they're different actually. Look, so this is the first one I showed you. So yeah, we've got some different sculpts, sort of, I think. Yeah, they're pretty different. So the ones on the right are the new ones, left the ones I've just shown you. So yeah, they're looking really nice. And again, the detail on these Forgeworld, I mean, I'll be honest, at £32, I think it was, for the 6. It's a little eye-wateringly expensive, especially if you're going to make whole units of them. But then at the moment, it's really difficult to get your hands on any Knights of DOL AMROTH on foot. So that's the last one. So I think they're all slightly different. Let me get them together. So Oh, there we go. We can focus on them again. And you can see my nails, chewed up nails, just like Frodo in the movies. Apparently Elijah Wood chewed his nails a lot, and he was quite happy to have them on screen despite them being bitten down so much. So there you go. They're the bodies. And the really interesting stuff, though, I think, is probably in the weapons and the other heads. So we've got some heads here, more heads. Awesome. Bit of variety there, so not just helmets. So that puts the tally up to 10 heads so far for 6 bodies, which is pretty cool. I like these particularly. I like the swan helmets, but these are going to be great for some variety and also for converting to other things, I guess, and using it. It's always nice to have some spare heads, isn't it? What else have we got? So that's some more shoulder pads there, by the look of it. So, arms. What else? Oh, and here we're getting to good stuff now. So, because I believe you can use it as a command sprue as well as 3 guys, or you can make 6 guys out of it. So that is the horn, lovely horn blower there. That's really nice. I like that. Oh, and look at the detail on the back of the shield. That's really nice. Lovely wooden grain. I really hate the I think it's the Minas Tirith shields at the moment. You're kind of not quite sure what they are, whether they're wood or metal or anything. So you see people painting different things on them, but it's nice to have the detail there, so you don't have to try and paint it to look like wood without it actually being wood. Lovely, a great idea. Bit of flash there, not loads, but some anyway. Oh, it's just come off. That's actually not too bad. Not too bad at all. The mould line wise, I can't even see the mould lines here. Don't know whether you can on here. It's very, very, very clear. So there you go. That's the one of them. More swords here. Awesome. Same again, and there's lots of swords. And what is this? This looks like the spear. So that must be for the banner, which looks amazing. Lovely. Well, there you go. And finally, and some other swords here as well. So they're the same as the ones I already showed you, I think. And then lots of different shields. So, as well as the shield I already showed you, which I think is probably one of the captain shields, we've got some variety here. So we've got, I think, we've got 3 of the boats. Yeah, three of those boats. We've got 2 of these boats and another of those boats there. So that means we've got 3 of the 2 different Numenorian boat, kind of DOL AMROTH style boats, and 1 of this. And I have to say, I don't know what this represents. I'm not too up to date on the lore, but there's a little boaty there in the top, and I don't know what that means. I'm sure people well versed on the lore will know exactly what they are, but lovely. And we can see here, so some of the hands must be designed to just hold the shield, and some are designed into the arms. I didn't notice that on the actual things, but that's really smart way of doing it. And I'm really looking forward to assembling these and seeing how they go. And you've got a usual number of bases in there as well. But I think I'll be putting them on some generation shift bases that have got some really nice cobblestone. Anyway, there you go. That. And just being careful to avoid the copyright issues. You get let's just get the box and get the kit. So you get the Forgeworld resin kit with it. So, oh, just knocked my new toys on the floor, and they haven't broken, thankfully, so that's good. That's fine. So you get that. So that's how to look after resin models. Lovely. And of course, most importantly, how to actually build the damn things. So footnotes of DOL AMROTH, and hopefully when I'm done with them, they'll look something like this. I've got all the guide on the back there. Excellent. So that's fantastic. There you go. That is the first ever unboxing I've ever done for the Lord of the Rings strategy battle game. Maybe I'll do another one. I don't know at some point, but I thought I'd get one up quick before anyone else has the chance. And I hope you enjoyed that. And hopefully, in the not too distant future, I will be painting these up and doing a sort of tutorial eventually for them. Thanks for watching.